everybody. This is Chuck. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Shut this thing off. Hey, this guy, you've probably, if you're a Facebook or a Instagram, you've probably seen this lighted headband. I purchased one. I've been playing with it, and I like it. It's got two lights. It's got the spotlight on the side that you can, let's see, what are we on? We're on the main band there, which is dimmable. And then you got a spotlight that has different levels. It also, you can press a button here and you can wave your hand and it'll turn it off and on. I found that it turns off and on a lot by itself. But anyway, I thought I'd share that since I got it on my head. A little chilly out in the shop tonight, just playing around. But this is a follow-up to the Spindle stop. If you remember, I attempted to take a muffler expander and machine it down so that it would be the same size as this guy. And it failed. And let's look down at the lathe right here. I've gotten it back, and we'll watch a little bit of video, and then there'll be some talking. Thanks for stopping by the shop, though. I appreciate your time. just wanted to show you that this is a fail. This doesn't work. I had come out once before and started and said junk it, and then I thought I would just do a follow-up video and show you guys. And you can see, once this, you can see that these guys move. So any kind of cut, and these guys are going to walk and just make a mess. So I tightened the living hell out of this guy and that piece of pipe. But my idea of using this to turn it down, and just go back in history a little bit. This unit, of course, was hardened, and I sent it to my buddy Harold Waters down at Amateur Redneck Workshop, and he annealed it. It's still kind of hard, to be honest with you, but it's just not safe to try to turn it. It ain't gonna work. So that idea was a failure, and the 3D print was a good idea, much safer. You can see I was basically gingerly touching it and seeing, want to see if the nut's going to back out. You saw the explosion before. Here's a picture of it. That's when it was still hardened, and this is a failure. So don't attempt modifying one of these muffler expanders to become your spindle stop, unless your spindle's large enough to house the muffler unit. Then it's just changing your changing your adapter on how you're going to make the rest of it. All right, thought I'd share that with you guys. Don't do it.